happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we are back with our social studies class. And as you remember, in the last class we had started a new chapter in geography, that is chapter number 2, the globe, latitudes and longitudes. Okay? Now, without wasting time, let us quickly go and start. So, before starting the new topic, that is latitudes or parallels, first let us study what is an equator. Equator क्या है? So as you can see this figure, okay, what do you see? This is our earth, okay. So imagine this is our earth and this is an imaginary line, ठीक है, ये एक imaginary line है, okay all of you. Now the imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts is known as equator. This we have already studied. Okay. Now we will start with the new topic, that is your latitudes or parallels. So we will read line by line and also we will understand it line by line. Okay? See, the imaginary lines that run from west to east are parallel to the equator in the form of circles and lie on both sides of the equator are known as what? Latitudes or parallels. See, now we'll draw it so that we'll be able to understand more clearly. The imaginary line that lies, what was it? The imaginary line that run from west to east and are parallel to the equator. ये हमारा equator है. Equator से जो भी lines parallel होंगी, it will be in both the sides, right? So, I'll draw this line. ठीक है? So, in this way, there are many lines and you can see they are parallel to the equator. ये हमारा equator है and ये जो lines हैं ये parallel है. Then what is said? That are parallel to the equator in the form of circle and lie on both sides of the equator. Both sides, ऊपर भी है and नीचे भी है. Okay. See, at the top is what? Is your north side and here is south. ठीक है? North and south. Next, now this is known as what? Latitude or parallels. ये जो imaginary lines हैं, these imaginary lines that are parallel to the equator and they go how? West to east. ठीक है? West to east होती हैं and what else it was written? That it lies on both the sides. See? यहाँ भी है north side में and south side में भी है. So, these are the parallels. What are they? One second. Okay. These are known as latitudes or parallels. Latitudes or parallels, both the word, it means the same. Now, the latitude of a place is its angular distance north or south of the equator. Latitude का मतलब क्या होता है basically कि equator से, ये हमारा equator है, equator से जो ये बीच का difference है, distance जो है, उसे हम latitude बोलते हैं. Okay, in simple words if I say the distance from the equator is the latitude. Now you see these are the imaginary lines. अब इस line में जो difference है equator से, see, ये जो इतना gap है, this is our latitude. Okay, what is this? This is our latitude. It is measured in degrees Now this distance is measured in what? Degrees. ये degrees में measure होता है. And each degree is divided into 60 equal parts called what? Called minutes. 60 equal parts में divided है and उन्हें क्या बोला जाता है? Minutes. हमने minutes के बारे में पढ़ा है, that is in time. We know about minutes, right? A minute is further divided into 60 equal parts called seconds. सबसे पहला division was of minutes. What is it? Each degree is divided into 60 equal parts. ठीक है, 60 parts में divide करते हैं, उससे minutes बोलते हैं. And further it is subdivided and it is said as seconds. ठीक है, अब हमें समझ में आया कि वॉच में कैसे मिनट्स होते हैं, सेकेंड्स होते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज डिवाइडेड. नाउ द इक्वेटर रिप्रेजेंट्स द 0 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड. इक्वेटर क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? 0 डिग्री. ठीक है, ये जो डिस्टेंस है हमारा इक्वेटर जो है दैट इज 0 डिग्री. नाउ सी, देयरफॉर ऑल द पैरेलल्स north of the equator are called north latitudes. Naturally, please underline this कि जो सारे parallels हैं जो north side में हैं over here, ठीक है, ये हमारा north side है, तो जितने भी parallels north side में होंगे like this and this, okay, so the north side one they will be known as what? They will be known as north latitudes. और जो parallels south में होंगे so उन्हें क्या बोलेंगे? They are called south latitudes. Is it clear? ऐसे parallels जो north side में हैं are known as north latitude and the ones which are in south are known as south latitudes. Therefore, the value of every latitude is followed by the letter N or S. So N starts for N for north, S is for south. ठीक है, N किस लिए होता है? North के लिए, and S is for what? South. Now see, I'll show you one thing. See, this is our figure. Okay, this is the figure of parallels. It is there in your textbook also, you can see. So जो north side में हैं आप notice करना, उनमें क्या लिखा है? 10 degree N, 20 degree N, 30 degree N. Why? Because it is the north south. अगर south side में है so 10 degree S, 20 degree S, 30 degree S and so on. Is it clear why? जो north में है they are represented as N and the ones which are in south are represented as S. Is it clear? Okay children. Now there are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere. How many? 90. And 90 in the southern hemisphere. That means दोनों में कितने हैं? Equal parallels हैं. 90 in northern and 90 in southern hemisphere. These imaginary lines are used as reference points to locate a place on the globe. Okay, so ये imaginary lines किस लिए use होती हैं? To locate a place on the globe. Now in your textbook this figure is there and you can see कि north side का 80 degree तक दिया है, but उससे एक और भी होता है. North में how many? It has 90. South में also 90. Both have 90. Okay, and because of these parallels we can even find out, we can locate any country or any city. Okay, अगर हम चाहें तो globe में देख के इन parallels के वजह से countries और cities भी identify कर सकते हैं. Is it clear? Okay children, now see, coming back to where we stopped, that is, see here, 90 in northern hemisphere, 90 in southern hemisphere. These imaginary lines are used to locate place. Thus, there are 181 parallels including the equator. How many? 181. 181 कैसे हुए? 90 are in north, 90 in south and 1 for equator. ठीक है, 90 नॉर्थ का, 90 साउथ का एंड 1 इज फॉर इक्वेटर. तो टोटल हुआ 181. That is why how many parallels are there? There are 181 parallels. Cities and towns that are near to the equator are said to be in the low latitudes. ऐसी cities, ऐसी countries जो equator से पास में है, which are near to the equator, are known as what? See, they are known as lower latitude. I'll write over here. See, if this is my equator and the places which are near to it are of lower latitude. So naturally, the ones which are from distance, जो distance पे होगी, so वो क्या होंगी? Higher altitude. Okay, this is equator. अब जो ये north side है, see, imagine this point. Okay, अगर आप इस point की बात करें तो equator से तो बहुत दूर है. So क्या होगा वो? Higher latitude. Okay, see, this is written over here. The places near the poles are said to be in the high latitudes. High latitudes क्यों? Because वो बहुत distance में है equator से. जो ज़्यादा distance में है वो high latitudes, जो पास में है they are known as of low latitudes. Clear? Now, all parallels or latitudes are in the form of complete circles. So we have seen in the figure, they look like complete circles. The equator is the longest parallel. Which is the longest parallel? Equator. The length of the parallel starts decreasing as one moves away from the equator. Okay? Now what it is said that the length of the parallels start decreasing as one moves away from the equator. अगर ये हमारा equator है, so इससे हम जैसे जैसे दूर जाते रहते हैं. What is written? That it decreases as one moves away. Okay? ये देखो. Now see, this is 0 degree. Now see over here 60 degree north. So what do you see? The length has started decreasing. अब यहाँ की length देखो कितनी छोटी सी है. And 20 degree की देखो कितनी बड़ी. It is so big. Why? Because of the distance. So जो equator से ज़्यादा पास में होगा, so the length will be more, and the one which is far from the equator, the length will be smaller. Is it clear? And last, the farthest latitude, the North Pole 90 degree N and the South Pole 90 degree S are the form of imaginary points. See, in your picture also they have not shown the 90 degree N because they might have no place. Okay, so see, this is 80 degree and then 90 degree comes, and over here also एकदम distance पे south के क्या आएगा? 90 degree S. So these are what? These are the forms of imaginary points. All these parallels are basically imaginary only. ये जो parallels हैं ये imaginary हैं, but they are used to find out cities or countries. Okay, once again, what is latitude? It is a distance from the equator. In simple language, if we say the distance from the equator, and these parallels move from west to east. Is it clear? Now see your worksheet part. What is your worksheet part over here? See. Okay, so this is your worksheet 1. Answer the following in short. What are latitudes? How many parallels are there in the northern hemisphere? Which parallels are said to be of lower latitude? Is it clear, students? Okay, so this is it for now, and in the next video we will do the next topic. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.